I've learned, whew. I've learned so much here, I don't even really know where to start. I've learned how to build raptors.
I learned how to tackle huge open-ended problems like how to wirelessly light up and control 3 raptor costumes.
I learned a lot about collaborating with majors outside of engineering.
I've learned how to steal like an artist.
I learned how to communicate in a way that makes collaboration a lot easier.
I learned that you should never use objects only for their intended use. Things have so many other uses and can be useful in so many other ways you never thought possible.
I learned many things, but I think the main one was to not be scared of voicing my opinions.
Everybody influenced each other and motivated each other, and we created this really enthusiastic, celebratory course.
I learned a lot of soft skills, like when the appropriate time to apply digital fabrication is in a project and when it's better to just, try and make something by hand.
And also how to be a leader, honestly. It was pretty cool.
When you're in a supportive environment filled with people that are invested in your learning, you can do anything.
Really one of the most inspiring classes I've ever taken.